Hey everybody, it's Neil and I got bicycles there, I got bicycles here, but what do we always need? We always need more tubes. So I'm gonna show you guys this one here. This is a set of bicycle tubes. If I can open it. Not sure why they wrapped the box in the plastic. But here we go. So these ones here are the, looks like it's got the pressure valves. Let me see. Yes, it comes with some tire levers. Those are always nice to get it out. And then here are the tubes. It comes with two good sized tubes. These ones here are gonna be for, not for those bikes, for this bike right here, the mountain bike. So, and the way it is here, check it out for a second. It's a nice thick tube. And, oh, it's not pressed, it's a Schrader valve, the regular Schrader valve. So that's actually, I guess that's what my mountain bike uses. So this is gonna be a nice tube replacement for these wheels right there. So you can see this part's in the way, but there it is. So this will be the replacement tube. And this tube isn't broken yet, but I'm sure in a couple of weeks, as we ride more, we're gonna need more of these. So nice to have the replacement. So if you need some replacement tires, this one here looks like it's gonna be a nice, good, thick one for some good mountain biking. Thumbs up.